gotta love it. Rains for 1 second, then stops. Typical Florida. So we're gonna go check out the spot. Yeah, double-sided curb. Just goof around a little bit on it, and then yeah, have fun. Hopefully, it's not wet. There's a spot, but those clouds are not looking good at all. Holy shit! No lie, lightning just struck literally like, holy shit! And I'm saying holy shit, I just saw it and I saw it smoke over there. You can't see it there, but holy fuck, I'm shaking. I'm freaking shaking. I never seen that shit. Holy motherfucking shit. Sorry for the cursing, but man, holy moly. Not moving from the spot at all. You know it's crazy, like when my hand's shaking the whole can. Dude, crazy. Not moving from here until it stops. It was like literally, I'm not lying, freaking barely 100 feet away from me. It was where all those bricks are right over there. And I'm like, freaking, dude, craziest vlog right now. You hear that now, holy moly. I don't think I've ever seen anything strike that close. So, whoa, that's super intense, insane. So I'm gonna hang out here for a while, and then we'll skip to, we'll skip to the next whatever. Holy cow, man, I'm still just so amazed about how close that lightning strike was, and whoa, like my heart's still going, my hand's shaking, it's so scary. So this is the tree that got hit by lightning. That was literally, I was over there. You could see like where it's blown out right there. Looks like it just hit right there, and then probably the lightning, all the electricity just blew out like right there. I am still shaking, as you can see. Freaking crazy. That was an insane, yeah, that was definitely insane. So, definitely, yeah, go get something to eat, and definitely go, I'm going to show you a little footage from Jump the Shark the other night, and I hope you enjoy that. There's some talented artists that were doing live painting and stuff like that, and so yeah, we're going to check that out also in this vlog. So enjoy the rest of it, as I'm still a little shooken up by the lightning strike. Super.
This is Jesus Untitled. This is 7-course Irish meal. It's a steak bone and a 6-pack.
All right.
And then I said support your local artist.